Hello everyone, welcome once again in Cool IT Help. So guys, today we will see the installation of FFmpeg on the Mac OS X Sierra. So right here you can see on my screen the text file is ready, and here I have mentioned these 3 steps of the installation. So we're going to install homebrew first on your Mac OS X. So copy this URL and go to your favorite browser and paste it in the address bar. Okay, so here we are on the home page of the homebrew. So right here on this page everything is very clear. So as you can see, there is an installation command in this black rectangle box, and the command is written in the white font. So what we have to do, we have to copy this command and go to the terminal, and we have to paste this on terminal. Okay, so I am going to open the terminal. So here terminal is open now. Okay, now you have to copy this command from the beginning to the end. Okay, this is the simple command. Okay, now copy and go to the terminal and paste it. Okay, now press enter. Okay, once you press, you will stop at this place. So here if you press any other key, so the installation will be aborted, but we want to proceed, so we have to press the enter key on your keyboard. So now press enter key and the process will start. Okay, now it will prompt you on the password, so you have to enter the admin password. Okay, here you have to enter your login password of your Mac. Once you enter, you will see the progress of the installation, and right here this something command line tool is downloading in the backend for your Mac version. Here the Mac version is High Sierra, and please wait for the completion of this process of downloading. It may take 5 minutes. It depends on your network connection. So we will wait for the completion of this downloading. Okay, now we can see the progress. Again, we got the third message, installing command line tools. Okay, now again it's waiting for the password, so we have to enter the same login password, your admin password here, and press enter. Okay, now the process keep moving, and here you can see clearly downloading and installing the homebrew. So first it is downloading from the net whatever the required files. So if you have a very good connection of internet and very fast downloading speed, then it will not take much time, but here I have a little bit slow connection, that's why it's taking time. And it's again we getting another message after downloading, and I think downloading is complete now, and this will show such message, tapping homebrew /core, and it is setting up the homebrew in your Mac OS X for use. Okay, again downloading something, so the progress is running. Okay, it's done. You guys don't worry if it is taking more time in your Mac OS X, because it depends on your network connection. Okay, and it's done, and it is prompting me on my home directory. So its homebrew installing is done successfully. You can see the message here. Now we are going to install the FFmpeg. Now see this step 2. So here we have to follow this URL to download the FFmpeg. Okay, now open your Chrome browser and paste it here, and you will see this FFmpeg download page. And here we have 3 options, like first for the Linux, Windows and Mac, and just click on the Mac and choose the third one and you will see this page. So here we have this big blue button, and this is the download build button. So you have to just click on it and you will see the FFmpeg build is downloading here. So please wait for the downloading of the build. Then we will unzip this FFmpeg, and finally we go on the terminal, and then we will run a command to install the FFmpeg. So we will see once downloading is complete. Okay, downloading is done. Okay, now I'm going to the download location. So here's the download zip file. I'm going to unzip it, do a right click and just select the open with the archive, and this archive utility unzip the FFmpeg here in this folder, and you can see these files present in this directory. And here inside the bin we have the FFmpeg binary file. Okay, so what we have to do now, come to the terminal and you are on the home. So we have to navigate to the particular location where we have this FFmpeg binary. So and then we have to run this command. Okay, so this is the location where we have this FFmpeg binary. Okay, now open the terminal, and here you can see we have to reach at the bin directory. Right now I'm inside the bin directory, and I'm going to run the brew install FFmpeg command here. By giving the ls command we have the FFmpeg, and you can test by writing this FFmpeg minus version, and you will get the result like command is not found. Okay, now we have to run the brew command here. Brew install FFmpeg. Okay, just copy this command as it is and go to the terminal and paste it here and press enter. Once you press enter, it will start installing the FFmpeg here on the macOS X. You can see the message clearly here. It is installing and downloading some dependencies required to run the FFmpeg on your macOS X. So please wait for a while. It is downloading the dependencies. It will not take much time. Okay, it's done, and you will be prompted on your this folder. Now it is done. So installation is done successfully. Now we can test it by writing this command FFmpeg -version, and you will see these details about the FFmpeg. It will show you such kind of detail if you have done the installation successfully. Okay guys, I will show you one more test for the successful installation of the FFmpeg. So I will use one video file and I will extract the screenshot from that video file. So guys, here I will show you the demonstration by running a simple FFmpeg file, and I will extract the screenshot from the video I'm going to use as an input. Okay, so this is the test run of the FFmpeg. So let's get started. So first I have prepared one sample.mov file. This is video file, and I have placed this video file here in this separate folder. Okay, and now for running this FFmpeg command, you have to open the terminal and go to this folder. You have to browse to this folder. Okay, so here I would like to show you first this video file. This is a simple video, not much length, about 30 seconds in length. Okay, this is a simple .mov file here. So we will execute this command and we will extract the screenshot from this video. Okay, so I'm going to run this. So go to the command prompt, go to the terminal, and now we are inside this folder. You can see on the terminal, here is our file and we are inside this folder. Okay, now you can simply paste this command. Okay, and press enter, and you will see the FFmpeg command is executed successfully, and we have this screenshot available here now. So let me open this. Okay, the screenshot taken perfectly. It shows your FFmpeg installation is done perfectly on your machine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Cool IT Help. Keep watching. Thanks for watching.